All right, fellas, today we're talking about an ingredient that's in your kitchen that's destroying your testosterone. And what I'm talking about is this single ingredient that's quietly destroying your energy, your focus, and even your performance in the bedroom. This ingredient is so common, it is normalized. It's probably almost in everything that you eat. Today, we're covering the real truth about seed oils. You'll learn how they're sabotaging your health and what you can do to take back control. And stick around because what you'll discover will change how you're looking at your food forever. And hey, this is Brian, aka Uncle B, the men's performance coach with Good Wood. And this is what we do. We talk about the things that affect your health so you can get better. Because you don't want to be a lazy, you want to dominate. So go ahead, hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell, and there. From now on, this is what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and get that work. All right, so what we're talking about is a silent saboteur. So seed oils, they've been sold to us as this heart healthy, but the reality is much darker. These oils extracted from seeds like soybeans, sunflowers, and rapeseeds are packed with unstable fatty acids. Under processing, these oils undergo extreme heating, bleaching, and deodorizing. This process destroys any nutritional value and leaves behind a toxic substance that is just going to wreak havoc on your body. It all leads to a toxic cascade. Once these oils are heated, whether during processing or cooking, the toxicity amplifies. A 2017 study in food chemistry found that reheated seed oils produce aldehydes, toxic compounds linked to chronic inflammation, heart disease, and even cancer. And as you find out, it's going to slow down everything else, even the things you want to work. Think about that for a moment. Every time you cook these oils or consume fried foods, you're exposing your body to these dangerous compounds. These compounds just don't vanish. They stay in your system. It creates a cycle of harm. We're talking about a literal cellular wrecking ball. Seed oils just don't stop at being toxic. They actively destroy your cells. When consumed, they generate free radicals, tiny molecules that attack and damage the cellular membranes. And that leads to cellular burnout. So imagine your body cells as a high-functioning army. Free radicals act like infiltrators. They're creating chaos within. A study in the Journal of Lipid Research demonstrated that diets high in omega-6 fatty acids, a seed oil staple, lead to oxidative stress, causing inflammation and impairing basic cellular functions. Over time, this cellular burnout manifests as fatigue, premature aging, and even diminished performance. We're talking about the gym and the bedroom. Your body is forced to fight an uphill battle just to maintain itself. We're talking about fat fuel failure. So you're thinking you're fueling your body with these healthy foods. If these seed oils are involved, think again. These oils get stored in the fat cells, but are notoriously difficult to burn as fuel for your body. We're talking about a metabolic jam. Seed oils act like a jammed fuel line in a high-performance vehicle. A 2020 review in Nutrients showed that these oils interrupt mitochondrial function, the part of your cells responsible for generating energy. This disruption forces your body to rely on glucose instead of stored fat. So that's leading up to those sugar cravings, and it's leaving you constantly drained. It's like driving a sports car with sludge in the tank. That is what's happening with your metabolism when you're consuming these seed oils. And we're talking about a hormonal hijack. So if you're a man between the ages of 35 and 60, you better pay attention to this because the seed oils are messing with your hormones. And of course, when your hormones are out of balance, everything from your energy levels to your sexual performance downhill. And we're also talking about your testosterone being taken down. A study in the endocrinology and metabolism revealed that omega-6 fatty acids from seed oils, of course, they increase that inflammation, but they also go after that testosterone. And as we know, testosterone is the lifeblood for that male activity. If you have low levels of testosterone, it's harder to gain that muscle, lose that fat, keep those erections. So you have these seed oils that are literally dismantling your masculinity. So what can you do to break the chains? Well, obviously, it starts with listening to your uncle because I'm telling you the information. Because these oils are everywhere. Fast food, processed snacks, and even health foods. You need to take control of what's on your plate. And we're talking about getting back to the performance fats. You want to swap out the seed oils with nutrient-dense alternatives. And my favorites, well, we're talking about olive oil, coconut oil, butter, peanut oil, and sesame oil. These aren't just healthier, they actively support your body's functions. They actually also enhance the flavor of the food, so when we're talking about making this changeover, it's actually going to taste good too. So of course, the question is, how long is it going to take to get all this stuff out of my system? Well, we have a healing timeline for you. And the truth is, it's not a quick fix. It takes time for your body to repair itself, but the good news is that the effects start happening pretty quickly. We're talking about an actual rapid reboot. Even small changes like swapping out seed oils for the healthier fats can significantly boost mitochondrial function in just a few days. Over time, your energy stabilizes, those cravings disappear, and your performance improves. While it can take up to 1.5 years for your body to fully detox, you'll start noticing the effects almost instantly. This isn't just about adding years to your life, it's adding life to your years. Yeah, pay attention to that one, that's a bar. So we're actually talking about fellas making a power shift. Your health and performance are under attack every day, but you have the power to fight back. By removing seed oils from your life, you're not just protecting your health, you're also protecting your energy, your focus, and your vitality. Do not wait for someone else to come along and fix this for you. You need to go ahead and take action now. Every meal's an opportunity, man. Make the right choice and go ahead and get that work. And of course, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. This is Uncle B saying, get your game up and go hard. Peace out.